Hey everyone, it's Kat and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to do a 5-minute eyeshadow look with ColourPop's new Going Coconuts eyeshadow palette. Yay! 'Tis the season for the proverbial Christmas office party. I have actually two to go to. Those lovely awkward moments with your supervisor and seeing coworkers that you really like or don't like. That awkward gift exchange. Dirty Santa. Love that game. Not. Anyway, I have to get ready to go to the office and I'm going to be using the Going Coconuts eyeshadow palette. I know a million people have already reviewed it, swatched it, you've seen it, but I wanted to do a riff on this because it is the holiday season. We are going to be seeing a lot of people that we haven't seen in a while. So I thought this would be a good opportunity to do a quick eyeshadow look because who has the time? There's always that last minute holiday get together that you're supposed to go to and you only have 5 minutes to get ready. Well, you know what I mean. But yes, we are going to hop into a quick and easy look to guarantee you to look great under fluorescent lights and just have a natural glam look. So in case you're interested, don't forget to click like and subscribe. And remember, I upload every Sunday and Wednesday. And don't forget to hit that little notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Okay, Going Coconuts, let's do this. It's actually a cool toned eyeshadow palette, but you've got some wonderful pops of warmth. And I'm telling you, the pigment on this is stunning. I've already prepped my eyes with MAC's Soft Ochre and I've done my eyebrows. But we're just gonna go in with Shredded, and this is such a beautiful neutral color. What I love about this palette is it has a mirror. What I don't like about this palette is it's made out of plastic, and you should recycle. I really wish they would go back to the cardboard palettes. But yeah, I'm just gonna sweep Shredded all over my lid just to create a nice little base. And I'm gonna bring it all the way up to my brow bone. And this is on my Real Techniques brush. It lays down super fast, super easy. And I think it would really show up on dark skin tones as well. And now I'm going to go in with Lovely Bunch into my transitional area, just to open it up. I love this eyeshadow palette because the formula blends so easily and so quickly. And I'm just going to drag it in towards the inner corner of my eye just to open it up because I do have hooded eyes, being 52 years old. I love this formula. It is so easy to blend. Just hitting my transitional area right at my brow bone. Taking a little bit more and dragging it in. Now I'm going to dip into Shell Yeah on the same brush and just go above my crease just to deepen it up. I love this color. It adds a little bit of warmth. And I'm just going to bring it out to the outer corners of my eyes just to connect it right through there. Quick and easy. There. Lovely. It's so pretty. Now I'm going to take my smaller MAC brush and I'm going to dip into Nutty. This is such a beautiful dark brown. And I'm just going to go slightly here. Tap off the excess and I'm going to go on the outer corners of my eye and just kind of stamp it on there, as you can see. Every year my office has the Christmas party and we do Dirty Santa. And in case you don't know what that game is, Dirty Santa is where every person that participates brings a gift. And you draw numbers and you open up the gift. And the next person that has to draw, they can either steal that gift or take the gift that they're about to open. And I'm telling you, some of my coworkers get down and dirty. It's pretty fun. See how it deepens that up? Oh my God, that's gorgeous. And then I'm gonna take a clean, fluffy MAC brush and I'm just gonna swirl it and buff it out and drag it into the inner corners of my eyes. Do you see how easy that buffs out? Oh my goodness. Now I'm gonna go back with that same brush and I'm just gonna hit a little bit of Shell Yeah with the nutty on there. I'm just gonna line the lower lash line to open it up. Nice, oh my gosh. Beautiful. Almost done. Now I'm gonna take this gorgeous shade right here, Cocoa Crush, and pop it on my lid. Look how, oh my God, this is gorgeous. It has such a beautiful, sparkly effect, but it's not like massive glitter. A beautiful sheen, and it adds just enough warmth to your eye look. Now I'm gonna go back in with the MAC Clean brush. I'm just gonna buff it out, just up through here to soften it. Like so. I'm gonna go back in with my Real Techniques brush and just soften it up through here. Almost done. I love this color, Palm Reader, this iridescent white. It's got such a great duochrome to it. I'm gonna pop that into the inner corner of my eye as a highlight. Watch how it pops. Holy shit, look at that. Gorgeous. And I'm gonna take whatever is left on the brush and I'm gonna hit under my eyebrow, just to highlight, just a hair. Now I've only used 4 colors so far, but I think I'm done. Dude, I am so done. So what I'm gonna do next is just pop on my eyeliner and mascara and I'll be right back. Final look, guys, what do you think? Now for eyeliner, I went in with, of course, the Benefit Roller Eyeliner, and for mascara, as you saw, I went in with Essence's Lash Princess, the pink formula. I believe it's the volumizing formula. But yeah, for lips, I just went in with Maybelline's Ruby For Me. Love this universal lipstick. Traditionally, I would go for a classic red, but I thought this was a nice complement to the look that I came up with. The Going Coconuts eyeshadow palette from ColourPop. Now it retails for $12. I love this neutral palette. It has cool tones, it does have a bit of warm tones, but the looks that you can come up with are super quick, super easy. The formula blends like a dream. I actually wore this last night when I got my manicure, and my manicurist was like, oh my God, your makeup looks great. It's this, I'm telling you, out of all the eyeshadow palettes that ColourPop has been popping out literally every freaking week, this is probably going to be the most used eyeshadow palette in my arsenal. I am a neutrals girl, but this, I don't know what it is about this formula. It's super easy to blend. The colors are rich and beautiful. There's little to no fallout, and you can come up with lots of looks. I think it'll be complementary on dark skin tones as well as light skin tones. But yeah, 5 minutes, I'm ready for that office party. I'm ready for those awkward moments with my coworkers and trading silly presents. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this quick little 5-minute eyeshadow look with the Going Coconuts eyeshadow palette. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Remember, I upload every Sunday and Wednesday, and don't forget to click on my little head in case you haven't subscribed yet. And if you don't, that's cool too. And don't forget to check out the videos over here in case you're interested. So mahal kita, I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.